how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. Now, if you go here to your WhatsApp and if you go here to your chats and there are no names there, then the highest possibility why there's no contact name showing, that is because you have actually turned off the sync on your contacts. So what you can do is to go here directly to your settings. Now just go back here and go here to privacy. Just scroll up, look for privacy here, privacy and security, and then go to contacts. Tap on contacts and make sure that you have enabled the WhatsApp or you have toggled on WhatsApp to have an access to your contacts. Now, let's say you haven't done that, then what you can do is to look for your WhatsApp application here, this one. And then as you can see here, you have actually toggled off the allow WhatsApp to have an access to your contacts. So just toggle that on. And basically that's it. That's how you fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.